So we've seen one major step of cap on cash transaction. Now the Modi government has also launched a war on shell companies in a move that's being seen as a surgical strike again, if I can use the word, on illegal holdings in companies. Two operators who set up as many as 90 shell companies were arrested. The shell companies were behind a mammoth 4,000 crore laundering network which illegally benefited around 500 individuals. ED has said the scam can run about 11,000 crore as well. The crackdown comes close on the heels of a special task force constituted by the Prime Minister last month. So my colleague Supriya getting us more details as well. Supriya, it's a massive crackdown and also warning being given to those who try to indulge in malpractice of diverting taxes, tax evasion through shell companies.
Well, interestingly, Divina, both the things, whether it's the black money or the money laundering, are somewhere interlinked. And today, the government has cracked the whip, and it's actually a surgical strike as far as the black money and money laundering is concerned. On one side, they have reduced the limit, they've brought it down to 2 lakh rupees. And on the other hand, now taking this decision as far as the money laundering is concerned, what we are hearing is that there were these cases which are coming in, and the government has already hinted at the Benami law also. And keeping that in mind, we are hearing that these steps are being taken. It is a sort of a surgical strike as far as the black money is concerned, and it seems the government means business, and in coming days we might be seeing a stringent law as far as the Benami law is concerned. And this entire shell companies, because time and again there were these reports that how the money is being laundered, and that's why the government has brought in these new provisions too.
Absolutely, Supriya. Just for our viewers' benefit as well, there's been a crackdown on shell companies by 2 entry brokers who've been netted, and it's amazing the kind of figures that's being shared at the moment. 90 shell companies is what they were able to find. Around 600 people profited from this 4,000 crore scam, which can go up to 11,000 crores as well as what the ED is expecting. Thanks for joining us with those details at the moment.